I'm using 1.5 pounds of big shrimps, shelled, deveined, and washed with white vinegar, and I'm leaving the tail on. For marination, combine all the ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1/2 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, Himalayan pink salt, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Marinate the shrimp and leave it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, make the dipping sauce for shrimp. Take 1/2 avocado, scoop the flesh and blend it well. Into that add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. This avocado dip will be good in the fridge for 2 days. I'm using metal skewers, but if you are using bamboo skewers, soak them in water for about 10 to 15 minutes before you use them. Take each shrimp and arrange them on the skewers just like this. Preheat the grill between 350 to 450 degree Fahrenheit and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side.